this video, we will take a look inside the iPhone factory. iPhone is one of the most well-known modern phones in the world. Since its inception, Apple has sold more than 1 billion units worth hundreds of billions of dollars. iPhone has helped revolutionize mobile phone trends in many individuals' ways of life. A big part of Apple's fame is from its ability to innovate a fantastic technology. Millions of customers worldwide are willing to pay top dollar for the quality, design, and features of the Apple iPhone. However, many users may not understand how manufacturers produce iPhones. Well, the truth is that your iPhone was not manufactured and designed in one country. Several countries and companies come together to create an iPhone. If you have ever bought an iPhone or another Apple product, you probably have seen the note on its packaging that its products are designed in California, but that doesn't mean that they're manufactured there. So, where are iPhones manufactured? And what is it like to be inside the Apple iPhone factory? When trying to understand how and where Apple manufactures its devices, it depends on two vital concepts, which sound similar but are quite different: assembling and manufacturing. Manufacturing is the process of making the components that go into the iPhone. Although Apple designs and sells the iPhone, it doesn't manufacture its components. On the other hand, assembling is the process of taking all the individual components built by specialist manufacturers and combining them into a finished working iPhone. Most of the manufacturing process of an iPhone consists of buying the products from manufacturers and assembling them in good factories. Apple iPhone sources its materials from all over the world. In an attempt to offer the very best technology at the lowest possible price, they are willing to scour the globe to get the best component manufacturer. At the same time, while searching for the best companies to work with, they need to partner and work with component manufacturers who can produce on a massive scale. More than 200 companies worldwide manufacture and supply Apple iPhone manufacturers with their components to produce the phones. These component manufacturers create memory chips, glass screen interfaces, casings, cameras, and everything in between. The location of these component manufacturers vary widely. Components come from companies in South Korea, China, Taiwan, Germany, Japan, India, and many others.